Hey guys, get ready with me because today is the last day of winter. Oh my god. Today it is the last day of winter and I had a lot of fun doing all these videos like that. Well, not only just videos, but I just want to say I had fun enjoying the winter season. Although winter is my second favorite season is my number one favorite season. If I had to choose one out of those 4 seasons, I would say fall because I like how the temperatures feels cool, warm, or worse, like colder to death, feeling like it's winter. Also, not to mention, I just love fall in general because it's my favorite season of all the time. Is not only I like the cooler temperatures, but also I like to wear my favorite clothes of the fall that's gonna keep me warm and safe from the cold, especially when it comes to like colder temperatures that almost go into winter. But I got some great news that I got my bangs done like a few days ago, but that was last week. It was good because, like I said in my last video, I didn't show you all my bangs because it wasn't well done. But I'll show you to you at the end. So please keep watching. After tomorrow, well after today, I'm literally gonna crash out for at least 12 hours straight. Due to that, I'm thinking about wearing my favorite clothes that's gonna keep me warm. Yes, I like wearing warm clothes in general when it comes to fall and winter seasons. Also, obviously, I'm going to fail to not to post any videos in March 2026 because I was so busy with schoolwork and it's too much. I'm sorry. So please understand I haven't posted videos for a while, especially on my main YouTube channel. Or worse, maybe I can just drop out of college easily and just forget about going to college and then just do what I want to do because I don't graduate college until 2027. So praying that next year I'll be able to be free and do what I want to do. Post videos, make music, spend time with my friends, do this, do that. I don't know whoever in my family decided to make me to go to college because I didn't make a decision like that until I was like 18. Is my parents could have let me decide if I want to go or not. In other words, I'm not too happy about where I'm at right now. So don't worry, I'm gonna try my best to post more videos so I can have the higher chances of going viral. Anyways, I wanna go with this color. It's like emerald green, dark green color, whatever that is. Like I used in my last video. For today's look, I think I wanna do like a mint green and baby blue for winter to spring look. So that'll be fun to do that to close out the winter season. Alright, onto this palette, and I want to go with this mint green color, but it's like mint dark green. But I'm gonna give that a try because I have worn these colors like that before. I love this color so much, but I want to wear it more in general, especially for spring looks. If you want to see spring looks from me, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible because I gotta keep posting more videos like that. It is not mint green enough. I'm not sure why, but I'm just gonna mix it with this light green color just in case. Alright, I'm gonna go with one more color, and it's aqua blue right here. But I'm gonna use this brush just to have a backup color. Alright, so I already did the eyeshadows. It looks pretty good. Alright, let's do the eyeliner. I promise to do more videos like that. Yes, I need the higher chances of posting more videos. So don't worry, guys. Also, I'm praying that I'm gonna get new makeup products for spring 2026 because I want to. Yes. Again, I need to buy another pair of mascara because I'm running low. I'm not sure why I'm running low though. Long time no post. What the fuck is wrong with me? I don't know why. I have not been posting lately. And excuse my language, just kindly ignore it and don't say anything. Just because I am 20 doesn't mean I can do that. But I'm just saying that I should be posting more often in general. I don't know why I have not been posting lately, but I need a little more assistance. Like, I better get my ass back to posting on social media, or otherwise I'm gonna get more hate, less support, because the less posting on social media, the less support you get. I don't know if I'm wrong. You can correct me in the comments. You can prove me wrong if you want to. Don't worry. So I'm gonna have to try my best. And if I don't have any ideas, that's fine. So I went from Pink Promise lipstick, this bright pink lipstick from Revlon, and now I'm gonna go with the lipstick from L'Oreal Paris called Spicy Mauve. It's my favorite lipstick colors from L'Oreal. Not to worry, guys. I'm gonna keep posting, and even if I don't have any ideas, I'll still do. That way I have more support, more friends, have more higher chances and opportunities to go viral because I want to. Alright guys, this is the final makeup look, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys the hairstyle reveal, so keep watching. Okay guys, this is the final look. Yay! Looks cute on me. Alright, time for the fit check. So this top I'm wearing right now looks like a light brown / beige turtleneck sweatshirt right here. This is a beige or light yellow shirt I'm wearing, black leggings, and of course rose gold high heel sandals I'm wearing. Looks cute, right? Alright guys, so thank you for watching this makeup tutorial video for winter to spring look. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Alright guys, so wish you the best that spring starts tomorrow, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.